Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke. Biggie smokes for mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face. Take her through.
Look at this guy at his first meetup.
Funny with the money, oh, you got me mistaken, honey. I don't want to rape ya. I just want the
got all the buckets out here.
I'm out like the vapors. Who's the one you call?
Got all these buckets out. Let's go take a walk around. Oh look, Ben's GTI. Ben, GTI. I would rather see these cars than the ones that we saw at the meetup though, than the show. Look at this. Owen Wilson won.
Like my new car? I just picked it up. Brand new.
Oh yeah, the RX-7. Look at that. That's beautiful. This is like sex on wheels.
It looks smaller than normal.
Yeah. Look at this though. Looking.
Oh, hell, holy shit.
Look at
I
that.
guess it's the first time I've seen the R34.
In real life?
Yeah, I think I might have a stroke.
I think I might have a stroke. This is beautiful. A real life skyline.
Bro, this is
Look at this, dude.
dream car.
Holy shit. Look at that.
Niggas need to wake up. Smell the Indonesia. Beat you to a seizure. Then fuck your moms, hit the skin to amnesia. She don't remember shit. Just the
eBay
Tuck in the floor and me hitting the clicks. Sucking on the kicks.
Look at that.
Begging for the dick. And your
Beautiful.
mom say, "Love, my dick got rock quick."
Beautiful.
I just suffered the
Beautiful.
combination of
Beautiful.
I was jumping around and jumping around.
Oh, look at that yellow T-top over there.
Then I bust in her EYE. You're dead wrong.
That thing's wet.
I know.
This is what Joey pulled up in with the 3T swap.
It's like the fucking movie, man.
When I get dusted, I like to spread the blood like mustard.
this is
Trust it,
beautiful.
the hardcore rain leaves you rusted. Move
This is
over,
beautiful,
move
dude.
I'm more ruthless.
Look at
Leave you
this.
toothless, you keep it, I flip it. Tears don't affect me, I hit them with the
Weird flex,
G.
but okay. This is nice.
I'm shooting
I like the
babies,
Endless
don't
Night
get
sticker,
hands
too.
Hit mommy in the tummy if the hooker plays a dummy.
Yeah.
Wrist a little stiff. After she sucked the dick, I
The guy's in there like, what the fuck are you doing?
because he wanted me to fuck him from the back.
Coochie
But
style.
don't get down like that.
No, I like this yellow Infinity Gundam sticker.
That's
the only thing I like about this car. And the louvers. I like the louvers. But that's what I like that. Respect to the patina though. Yeah. Doug, yeah, Doug's tattoos, we respect you. This is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh shit, yeah, with the gate, with the gas tank.
That's crazy.
That's sick. Look at those gaylords. Super gay. Super gay. This is my favorite car here because it says Scuba Steve on the front. Yeah. Scuba Steve. Yeah, Scuba Steve. Yeah, bro. Fuck yeah, Scuba Steve, bro. Damn you, Scuba Steve. Damn you, Scuba Steve. Oh my god, he threw it on my fucking car. Oh, you gotta shout out Steadfast. Shout out Steadfast. Oh yeah, there you go. Follow homeboy steadfast. Run that. Yep. You don't know those guys. Oh, bro. Shout him out. Rocking the fucking, he's rocking the samurai handle like you. Fucking sick.
Scratches for the
We're like, oh, I cracked the wall, now I'm paralyzed.
Take a scientist to figure out who's the lame. Rest in peace, shocks. Rest in peace, Uncle Bush. With the name's bad when I'm going in. No one wants bitch. You either take us in or take us out. I'ma always
Gundam Wing and the swamp.
in my mouth and a bottle in my right hand. If you ain't from Otal, you wouldn't understand. Southside, you either riding or you die. Take a fucking bullet for my Polynesian pride. Eh? Southside, you either riding or you die.
Like that, Amir?
Take a fucking bullet for my
Slurping that,
Polynesian pride.
A little bit wider. Swallow. Don't even chew.
This is so sick, dude. I love the pinstripes too. And the wheels. Where'd you get this thing?
I came with it.
Oh, really? Solex locks too? Damn, I miss when my Corolla looked this clean. It's so perfect. That's something you'll never ever see. Like, I cannot find that for my life. Look at this. So this is how we rolling our fenders, but you're not supposed to do them. We're just doing this and like pulling them out.
That's what we do with all of our cars.
That's what we do with all of our
Because
cars.
fender rollers are expensive.
Yeah, and I don't give a fuck.
They're one-time use and then they just sit somewhere for like a
Because we got those tires over there. We got tires over there.
Yeah, these Johnnies right here.
Take a look at that.
Bada
So look at that.
boom.
Bada bang, bada boom.
Look at this.
I gotta shout out the homie though for giving them to me. Like, for sure. Like, thank you, bro.
Annoyed strong.
Alright, so I got the front ones on. I'm just gonna rock those for now. But we now have another problem. Wow! You fucking snapped the stud. It's right here. I know, but I don't want to. Shit.
If you don't want to suck, we can take this one out.
What here?
I broke another one. So I guess I'm just gonna replace all the studs and get. Fuck, I just fucking hate this. God damn it. Fuck.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
We were sliding together. And boom! Boom! Look at that shit! Boom! Boom! What happened, nigga? What happened? I mean, what happened? I don't know. It's both of our faults, but. Well, good thing I haven't. Oh, I don't have this side tail light. Fuck. Well, this was the new tail light. Well, gotta go back to the house and bang this bitch out.
wanna help us out? Do a $1 donation called Help a Brother Out Foundation.
Doing nothing, literally like.
Come on, put your back into it. Yeah, just pretend that's my face. Yeah.
No. God damn it. Fuck you.
To be fair, people, it's my fault. Because I didn't know he was gonna do a fucking sitter and I clutch kicked through the wheel and I saw him last second say I'm going for a fucking ride. Dude, now we need to hammer this part.
Yeah, I was gonna
We
say.
need to hammer that shit.
I hold it open to me.
Yeah, I got it.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, Jesus.
What was it? So good, brand new.
I do want to like kick this part out though.
I don't know how.
You can watch out.
Switch.
I'll show you what Friday taught me from the movies. Actually, yeah. Shut up, Dad. You want to help out? Can't scratch the paint now.
I could have sworn we did this before.
Yeah. Yeah, present. Oh, there we go. At least we got that out. Now hop in. Poking me in my asshole. Is it working?
Like, kind of, not really.
This was getting rid of.
You should just save your breath, Amir. Hammer is gonna be best.
You recording this? Make that shit out my face.
He's the culprit. I mean, I banged it out as much as I can and, you know, just slap another taillight on and I think it's pretty straight. I brought it back to being straight enough. This is just out of the question.